Rediscover comfort, the everlasting comfort knee pillow. Side sleepers often face discomfort from poor spinal alignment or added leg and hip pressure. If restless nights are leaving you fatigued, it's time for a change. Check out Debbie's review of the everlasting comfort knee pillow.
Hello, it's Debbie, and I am in my bed, not for sleepy times because it's pretty early in the day, but I want to demonstrate this everlasting comfort pillow designed to specifically help you align when you sleep. So I got it initially because I love the idea of having this strap here so that I wouldn't have to worry like if I turned. But to be honest with you, I like using the strap, but I also don't mind just not using it as well because I feel a little bit less restricted, but I do use it both ways. So overall, I chose this one over some others because from other reviews from people who wanted to have a better night's sleep and be more in alignment with their body. And after trying this, I've been using it every night. I think I got it for 4 nights now, and I love it. I diligently use it, and I just feel better and more aligned when I wake up in the morning. So I hope that you do too.
The Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow offers premium memory foam support to ease hip, back, and sciatica pain. Its ergonomic, curved design gently cradles your legs, promoting proper alignment and relieving pressure throughout the night. With an adjustable strap, it stays secure while you sleep. Plus, the machine-washable cover keeps it fresh effortlessly. Bonus? Memory foam earplugs ensure uninterrupted rest. Wake feeling refreshed and pain-free. Discover ultimate comfort and relaxation with the Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow. Order today and change the way you sleep.